foldable phones have undergone remarkable advancements, and Motorola is stepping back into the spotlight with its newest release, the Razr 60 Ultra. This device promises a premium, refined design, top-tier performance, a next-level camera system, and a larger battery paired with fast charging. But the real question is, does it actually meet expectations? In this review, we'll put it to the test and see how it measures up against its predecessor. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. Let's start with the design. Motorola has noticeably refined the Razr 60 Ultra, making it sleeker than ever, while retaining that iconic flip phone charm. The new model features a more streamlined hinge and premium finish, wrapped in a durable yet lightweight aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass ceramic that keeps it at just 199 grams, slightly heavier than its predecessor due to the larger battery. Practical upgrades include IP48 dust and water resistance for better durability, while style gets a boost with stunning Pantone color options. The Mountain Trail variant's unique wood-like texture and the Scarab Edition's sophisticated leather back both make strong fashion statements. It's clear Motorola has struck an excellent balance between form and function with this design. Turning to the display, the Razr 60 Ultra truly shines when unfolded, revealing a magnificent 7.0-inch Super HD flexible AMOLED panel with an ultra-smooth 165Hz refresh rate that delivers buttery-smooth scrolling and incredibly responsive gaming. What really impresses is the staggering 4,500 nits peak brightness, a significant upgrade that makes the screen perfectly visible even under harsh sunlight. While the crease hasn't completely disappeared, it's now far less noticeable than in previous models. The improved hinge mechanism not only feels more robust, but also enables better flex stops at various angles for enhanced usability. When folded, you're greeted by an equally impressive 4-inch AMOLED cover display that matches the main screen's 165Hz refresh rate and boasts a bright 3000 nits peak brightness. What's particularly convenient is the full app compatibility on the cover screen, allowing you to perform virtually any task without needing to unfold the device. Powering the Razr 60 Ultra is Qualcomm's cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, representing a substantial generational leap over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 found in its predecessor. The device comes equipped with a generous 16GB of physical RAM, further augmented by 16GB of virtual RAM expansion, combined with 512GB of fast UFS 4.0 storage, creating a powerhouse configuration that breezes through intensive multitasking and graphically demanding games without breaking a sweat. Motorola has also implemented an enhanced cooling system that effectively manages thermals, allowing the phone to maintain peak performance for longer durations without the aggressive throttling seen in previous models. Motorola has made significant strides in camera performance with the Razr 60 Ultra. The device now boasts a substantially upgraded dual-camera system featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization and an equally capable 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, replacing the telephoto camera found in previous models. This new setup captures exceptionally detailed photos with excellent dynamic range and accurate colors. For video enthusiasts, the phone now supports 8K recording, a rare feature among foldable smartphones. Low-light photography sees dramatic improvements thanks to larger pixel sensors and advanced computational algorithms that reduce noise while preserving detail. Selfie quality takes a major leap forward with the new 50-megapixel front-facing camera, delivering noticeably sharper and more detailed results compared to the Razr 50 Ultra's 32-megapixel shooter. These upgrades collectively position the Razr 60 Ultra as a much more capable imaging device than its predecessors. The Razr 60 Ultra delivers meaningful battery improvements, packing a 4,700 mAh capacity, a substantial 17.5% increase over its predecessor's 4,000 mAh cell. When paired with the power-efficient Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, this translates to reliable all-day endurance, even with heavy usage patterns. Charging capabilities have seen dramatic upgrades as well. Wired charging now rockets to 68 watts, up from 45 watts, while maintaining 30 watts wireless charging support. These accelerated charging speeds mean you can completely replenish the battery in about 45 minutes, a game changer when you're in a hurry. The combination of larger capacity and faster charging effectively eliminates battery anxiety for most users. After thoroughly testing the Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, I can confidently say this represents the pinnacle of foldable smartphone design to date. It combines true flagship-level performance with a remarkably versatile camera system, and arguably the most impressive high refresh rate displays we've seen on a flip phone. Motorola has addressed nearly every criticism of previous models, from battery life to thermal management to camera quality, resulting in what is currently the most complete flip-style foldable available. The real question is, does this convince you to make the switch? For those seeking the perfect balance of nostalgia and cutting-edge technology, the Razr 60 Ultra makes an incredibly compelling case. If you're as impressed by these upgrades as I am, you'll find purchase links in the description below to check current pricing and availability. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Motorola Razr 60 Ultra. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!